Here's the train behind me. So what I'm learning is that the train comes on the same track. The train comes on the same track. And so what it does, like the four went one way. Thank you, train, for being loud. So anyway, I'm in the train station. Again, I'm pretending like I'm Skyping so I won't look crazy. But anyways, one train goes, you know, like south, and then another train goes north, but they're on the same track. So apparently, like, that track opens up and whatnot. Anyway, so I'm supposed to catch the 4. I just missed it, but it's okay because I'm learning my way around. I'm catching the 4 at Lexington Avenue Express. That's all I know. It should be pretty interesting. I like the whole subway thing. I just saw this kid playing the piano. Next time we'll get that footage for you. But